Hey, this is Andrew, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Zorida cell phone booster. Now, I'm going to be sharing what I like about this booster, along with a few things that you should know before purchasing. So let's go ahead and jump in. So the very first thing that you should know, and the reason that I got this, is because this signal booster is for all US carriers, including Verizon and AT&T, which are the ones that I'm going to be demonstrating today. Now, the very first thing that I like about this booster is that it actually comes in a very well packaged box. You can see it's surrounded by foam, everything's very well protected, and it comes with a booster, the cable, which is a very long cable that's going to be extending from the inside to the outside, along with the actual antenna and all the pieces and parts that you need to attach the antenna to your home. The one thing that you do need, or at least I needed, was a screwdriver. Now, when it comes to actually the installation, the good news is that the signal booster actually comes with an app. So you can download the app and it has videos just step by step, right? It's going to guide you step by step in the installation process and the setup process. So it makes it super simple and super easy for anyone. Now let's go ahead and actually look at how it's made, because right when you get it out of the box and you start feeling it, touching it, you can tell that it's a very well made product. It's going to be hard plastic for the signal booster that's on the inside, also surrounded by copper. And the antenna, again, very well made, very sturdy. Plus what's going to be outside, it's going to be in the elements, is the antenna, and then also all the metal pieces that come with it. So you want to make sure that those are going to be able to withstand any type of weather that you have, which I believe that they will. Again, just from feeling them here. Something else that you should know before installing and setting up the antenna is that there is a website that you can go to, which is cellmapper.net. Now the cellmapper.net is actually the website that's going to allow you to locate the nearest signal tower, so the nearest cell tower. And you're going to point your antenna towards this. This is just a demonstration, but you can see where you can actually choose your cell phone provider. And then also, once you zoom in, you'll be able to see actually which cell tower is in your area, and then see how far that signal goes out and make sure that you're in that area. You can even zoom in a lot closer than this demonstration that I just shared with you. So now that we're outside, I'm going to go ahead and really quickly show you how I'm going to set it up. I can't attach anything to where I'm located to the building, so I'm actually having to set this up on a pole outside in the lawn. But from everything I've read, I should be good to go by the setup here. Ideally, you want it to be higher and, of course, not have anything blocking it. But again, we got to work with what we have, right? So I'm going to go ahead, set this up, and it's pointing right now towards the cell tower. I'm going to go ahead and connect the cable and run it inside. And now that it's inside, let's take a look at my phone. So you'll notice that the signal, and this is on Verizon, that I have 1 bar inside. And I'm going to go ahead and plug in the power, and let's see how fast that actually connects. Wow, okay, so that's almost instantaneous, as you can see. The cell signal changes immediately. So let's go ahead and also do a speed test with it unplugged. And now we're going to plug it in. And yeah, I mean, obviously you can see the jump in signal. I mean, there's a huge jump in that speed test. Very impressed with that. Did not expect it to happen so quickly. So I did mention that I had another phone. So I'm going to test this on AT&T and see if it has the same interaction. So you can see here with AT&T, I have 1 or 2 bars, and then plugging the booster in, and same thing, right? Have 3, 4, full bars now. So it works with both carriers that I'm testing this on. Again, I'm very happy with this. I also had mentioned something that you should know is that it does have an app that actually shows the status of everything. So you can definitely get out, play around with the antenna, make sure that it's pointing in the right direction, make sure you're getting the maximum signal. But again, even with the setup, not being on top of a house and in the lawn a little bit lower, I'm really impressed with this signal booster. I mean, again, whether you're in a home or you're in an office, somewhere where you have low signal, this can be a really big game changer for you. So I can definitely recommend this. I'm very satisfied with the results of this and hope you enjoyed it as well.